Hi everybody, it's me again, Shibuena, and welcome back to my channel. We are here now at Global Village, sa isang napakagandang pasyalan tuwing tiglamig dito sa Dubai. Tara at samahan niyo akong pasukin at ikutin natin ang lugar na to. Global Village in Dubai is a premier cultural, entertainment, and shopping destination that brings together diverse cultures from around the world. Itong pasyalan na ito ay unang itinatag noong 1997. Nagsimula ito bilang isang maliit na proyekto sa Dubai Creek at naglalayong pagsamasamahin ng iba't ibang kultura sa mundo sa iisang lugar. Ang idea ng Global Village ay nagsimula sa Dubai government bilang bahagi ng inisyatibo ng DSFT. Layunin nilang isulong ang turismo sa Dubai at itampok ang pagkakaiba-iba ng mga kultura mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Simula sa simpleng layunin na maging isang platform para sa cultural exchange at negosyo, ito ay lumago at naging isang world-class na destination na may mga pavilions mula sa higit na 70 iba't ibang kultura at milyong-milyong bisita taon-taon. Ang Global Village Dubai ay nag-aalok ng iba't ibang uri ng ticket na angkop sa iyong schedule. Any day ticket, 30 dirhams kada tao na maaaring gamitin sa anumang araw, kabilang ang mga pampublikong pista opisyal. Kids are absolutely allowed in Global Village Dubai, and it's highly family-friendly destination with plenty of activities tailored to children. Kids can explore and learn about different cultures in an engaging and fun way. Keep an eye on children at all times, as the venue can get crowded during peak hours. Comfortable clothing and shoes are recommended for kids to enjoy the rides and explore the area. Ito ay perfect na lugar para sa mga bata upang mag-enjoy, matuto at makaranas ng iba't ibang kultura sa isang masaya at ligtas na kapaligiran. While Global Village Dubai is welcoming and inclusive destination, there are certain rules and restrictions in place to ensure safety. Animals are not allowed inside the venue. Bringing food and beverage from outside is restricted. Visitors should wear modest and respectful attire. Avoid wearing revealing or offensive clothing. Smoking is only allowed in designated smoking zones. On Tuesdays, the park is reserved for families, women, and children, except on public holidays. Single men are not allowed entry on these days. No professional equipment without permission. Using professional cameras, tripod, or drones required prior approval. Global Village Dubai features a variety of cultural pavilions representing different countries and regions around the world. May mga nagbibinta ng mga balons sa Global Village Dubai. Makakakita ka ng iba't ibang uri ng balons na magugustuhan ng mga bata tulad ng makukulay na balons na may design ng mga cartoon characters, animals, o iba't ibang hugis. And Dubai Global Village offers a variety of rides of all age. And most of the rides are located in the Carnival Zone. Ride lines are shortly during weekdays and early evening hours. Ang Global Village Dubai ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pavilions, rides at games. Marami pang iba't ibang aktibidad at attractions na siguradong magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. Mahigit 27 pavilions na nagtatampok ng kultura, pagkain at produkto mula sa iba't ibang bansa. At makikita mo rito ang mga tradisyonal na sayaw, handicrafts at natatanging mga produkto ng bawat bansa. And you will definitely enjoy your visit to Global Village Dubai. And it's designed to cater to all age and interest, making it perfect destination for families, friends, or even solo travelers. Marami ditong games na pwedeng laruin, mapabata man o matanda. Mula sa mga bata hanggang sa matatanda, ang karamihan ng mga laro ay matatagpuan sa Carnival Zone. Katulad ng ball throw game, kailangan mong patumbahin ang mga lata o target gamit ang bola. The prices for the ball throw game or other carnival-style games at Global Village Dubai typically depend on the difficulty of the game and how will you perform. Katulad nga nitong mag-asawang ito, sobrang tuwang-tuwa nila dahil nakuha nila yung target nila. And these amazing parades are a wonderful way to experience the lively and festive atmosphere of Global Village. Maraming performers ang nakikipag-interact sa audience. Pwedeng makipag-high five, kumaway o magpa-picture habang dumadaan ang parada. A dancing fountain show as part of attraction. It's a popular highlights for visitors, offering a magical display of water, lights, and music. This amusement area sometimes includes dancing animatronics, costume characters, or toy-like figures entertaining the crowd. Performers dressed in costumes including bears or other animals can often be seen dancing and engaging with the audience along the pathways. Sobrang daming magaganda at makukulay ang nakakabilib na ilaw na nagbibigay ng kakaibang ambience sa gabi. Explore cultures from 90 plus countries through pavilions, food, music, and performances. It's like traveling the world without leaving one place. From fireworks displays to live concerts, there's always something exciting happening. During holidays and major celebrations like New Year's Eve, National Days, and Christmas, there are often grounded and more elaborate fireworks shows. The fireworks at Global Village are a spectacular way to end your day. Global Village Dubai opens at 4 p.m. every day. This is when the gates are open for visitors to start exploring the attractions, pavilions, rides, games, and entertainment. So paano ba yan? Hanggang dito na lang po ang vlog na to. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!